Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix this content is age restricted in TikTok. So open your TikTok profile and tap on this three-line icon to the top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy and tap on screen time. Tap on daily screen time, and if it's enable, you'll need to turn off these, so tap on turn off. Tap on back. Now tap on family pairing. If it's enable, also you have to disable this option from here and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to change our TikTok birth date. So change your birth date and check the problem if fixed or not. And the last solution is uninstall your TikTok app and go to your Play Store and reinstall TikTok app. That's how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.